Are you looking for a quick and easy workout routine that you can do every day? We're going to show you the top 5 exercises you should do to stay in shape. First up, we have push-ups. This classic exercise works your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. It's a great way to build upper body strength and get those muscles poppin'. Next, we have squats. This exercise targets your legs, glutes, and core. It's a simple move, but it's super effective for toning your lower body. Moving on to lunges. This exercise works your legs, glutes, and core. It can be a challenge, but it's a great way to get those legs looking toned and strong. Fourth on our list, we have planks. This exercise strengthens your core and improves your posture. It's a great way to work your abs without doing a million crunches. Last but not least, we have jumping jacks. This exercise gets your heart rate up and works your whole body. It's a fun way to get your blood pumping and burn some calories. And there you have it, the top 5 exercises you should do every day to stay in shape. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fitness tips and tricks.